Introducing the CL Rack Conveyor Commercial Dishwasher, exclusively from Hobart. The CL washes loads of ware with our legendary Hobart Clean, while saving labor time and operating cost. Hobart's exclusive Complete Delime with Booster Guard reduces chemical handling and delimes the booster for increased durability and extended life of the machine and booster. Capless wash arms and large cabinet-style doors make cleaning fast and simple, with no caps to lose. Automatic soil removal pumps food soil out of the wash tank during operation, cutting labor time on wash water changes and pre-scrapping. Drain water energy recovery reduces cold water needed for tempering by 90% and preheats incoming cold water for the booster heater, saving up to 20% on energy costs. The NSF-rated pot and pan cycle cleans tough baked-on food soil at the touch of a button. And the standard height machine can wash 6 sheet pans per cycle with the optional sheet pan rack. The smart touchscreen provides simple and intuitive operation for easy training, with integrated diagnostics and troubleshooting to maximize your uptime. The CL also includes integrated Wi-Fi to connect with Hobart's Smart Connect app to help you log temperature and monitor machine performance. Experience the unparalleled Hobart Clean with the new CL Rack Conveyor Commercial Dishwasher.